Hey, so if you want to use Photoshop style editing for free, yeah, Photopea is honestly the closest thing you can get without paying anything. In this guide, I'll show you how to use it like Photoshop step by step. First, open Photopea in your browser. No installation needed. It works directly online, just like Photoshop. Next, look at the layout. So, tools are on the left, layers are on the right, and your canvas is in the center, just like Photoshop. All right, layers are the most important part. I mean, each element you add stays separate, so you can edit everything without ruining your image. Now try the main tools like Move, Crop, Brush, and Selection tools. These work almost exactly like Photoshop tools. Next, remove backgrounds using Selection tools. So Quick Selection or Magic Wand helps you cut out subjects easily. All right, add text, shapes, and layer effects. I mean, you can add shadows, strokes, and glow just like Photoshop. And yeah, once you're done, go to File and click Export As. Save your work as PNG or JPEG in high quality. So that's how you use Photopea like Photoshop for free. Once you learn the basics, you can do almost everything a paid editor can do.